Hello everyone, welcome back to our study session. Today we are going to have our what? Okay, our suprasegmental and intonation test. So previously we discussed suprasegmental phonemes and the prosthetic patterns. Now at this moment we are going to test our knowledge if we really learned about it or not. Okay, I hope you already prepared your pencil and paper. And now we started at number one, of course, as usual. What is the primary function of suprasegmental features in speech? So, para saan ang function ng suprasegmental features? Like yung suprasegmental features? Yung stretch, yung pitch, yung pauses, and so on and so forth. Hey, to determine the meaning of individual words? Individual ba? Number two, to enhance the pronunciation of vowels. So, vowels ba? Vowels. Vowels. Iba yung vowels ha, yung lalabasan nyo ng ano. Okay, letter C, to convey meaning through stress, pitch, and juncture. Letter D, to separate consonants from vowels. Like individual words is para yun sa ano, di ba? So, vowels, consonants, iba yung fan, palitan natin ng F yung unahan, nagiging fan, so nagiging iba yung meaning. So, dami mong sat-sat dyan, teacher. Sige na, mag-answer na tayo sa number 2. Which suprasegmental feature refers to the prominence of a syllable in a word? Prominence of a syllable? Ano do? Prominence of a syllable. Yan yung keyword natin eh. Prominence. Prominence. Ano yung prominence? Excuse me. Syllable yung pinag-uusapan eh. So, I think I have a key or clue. Number 3. In the word development, which syllable has the primary stress? Oy. Development. 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 Patay. Wait lang. Thou is not the syllable here, right? Because it's supposed to be development. So, wrong na si letter B. Wrong na si op. Okay. Development. 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 Bahala kayo dyan. Number 4. What stress pattern differentiates a compound noun from a modifier noun? Okay. Alam na pagkakaiba ng pattern ng compound noun tsaka sa modifier noun. Alam nyo yan, di ba? Yung modifier noun, saan yung stress niya? Saan yung stress ni modifier noun? Sa first word ba? Si compound sa second word ba? Or si compound sa first word ba siya nag-i-stress? For example, postman. Postman. Okay, number 5. Identify the correct stress placement in the sentence. Identify the correct stress placement in the sentence. My brother called up. Uy. My brother called up. So if you're familiar with the symbols, no? You'll probably know the meaning. Okay, number 6. Which pitch? Which pitch level represents a normal speaking tone? Oh, di ba apat yung level? 4, 3, 2, 1. Asan dyan ang normal speaking? Okay, number 7. What is the pitch contour? O, pitch contour naman tayo yung 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. So, asan dyan yung pitch contour of a declarative sentence? Nagde-declare ka lang, naglalagay ka ng statement or finality. Hindi ka nag-a-ask, okay? Hindi naman prolong yung statement mo. Hindi ka naman tawag niyan. I don't have trail of thoughts. You declare something and you know already what to say. So, what is it? Is it 231, 232, or 312? May 312 ba? Excuse me. Number 8. What intonation contour is commonly used for a yes or no question? So you're asking something for this one. So supposed to be your pitch is continuously rising. So which one? A, B, C, or D? Okay, number 9. Which sentence would most likely use the 2-3-1 intonation pattern? So intonation pattern tayo ha. So bali normal to high to low ending. Are you leaving? She loved ice cream. If you'll notice, 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 kung napapansin nyo, do you like movies? Diba? Ganun lang. Number 10. What is the sustained terminal juncture used for? Oh my god, terminal juncture. Yun yung ano, diba? Suspending, rising, at saka yung falling. Sustained daw, sustained. Kapag sustained, to indicate the sentence is complete. So complete ba yung sustained? Kapag sustained yung intonation mo, complete ba yan? To signal that the speaker has more to say. Or C, to express a yes or no. Or to create a strong command. Number 11 pala. Number 11, what is the correct pitch contour for the sentence? Okay, pitch contour, yung 233, 232, 231, ganun lang yun. Pattern ba? Pattern. So, 231, pababa, 233. Yung, are you serious? Are you serious? Number 12, what does the following terminal juncture, pababa, indicate? Pag may makita kayong araw na pababa, anong klaseng falling terminal juncture ito? Is it uncertainty? Uncertainty? Finality? Continuation? Or hesitation? Saan yan? Para saan yung falling terminal? Okay, let's proceed to number 13. Which stress pattern is correct for the compound noun postman? Again ha, yung keyword natin dito is compound noun. So, alam natin na ang stress dito ay nasa blank. Okay. Stress pattern. Postman. Postman. One word yan. Okay. Okay, I think I know the answer. Number 14. What stress pattern is used in the sentence, Carabaos eat grass? Carabaos eat grass. So, always tayo sa kana, kapag may makita kayong phrases or sentences, you always start with two-level speech. Level 2 pitch. Normal voice. Carabaos eat grass. O, paano yan? Carabaos eat grass. Ang daming symbol. Ngayon, alin dito? Carabaos eat grass. Carabaos? Oh my God. Paano ito? So, ito yung ipapractice ko kasi pag may mga symbol involved na kasi, parang nalilito ako. Sa'yo din ba? Okay, 15. Which sentence would likely use a 232 intonation? So, ano yung para saan yung 232? Sustain to. So, I like pizza. Are you ready? If you'll notice, what time is it? Okay, number 16 tayo. What happens to primary stress in a word group? Primary stress in a word group stays on every individual word. It moves to the first word. It shifts to the most important word. It disappears completely. Diba, may word group tayo. Anong mangyayari sa primary stress na word? Anong mangyayari sa primary stress? Is it stays in every individual word, or it moves to the first word, it shifts to the most important word, it disappears completely. Mawawala ba yun? Okay. Tapos in 10 minutes, I'll just finish this, the rest of the 4 items. So, how many phonemic pitch levels exist in spoken English? Ilan yung pitch levels sa Ingles? Phonemic pitch levels, ha? Alam niyo yan. So, 3, 4, 5. 18, what is the correct stress pattern for the word legendary? Legendary. 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 Legendary! Oh, diba nagamit ko na yung ML? Legendary! Legendary! 5 seconds till the enemy destroys the battlefield. Smash it! Oh, man. Number 19. Which pitch pattern signals what? A speaker has more to say. May sasabihin ba siya? Hindi pa siya kompleto. Is it A, B, C, D? Number 20, the last question or item. What is the correct rising intonation pattern for are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Okay, let's see the correct answer. So kindly take a screenshot of this one so that you can tell yourself or correct yourself why na mali ka dyan and why correct ka dyan. Okay, where is my number 1, letter C. Number 2, B. Number 3, hala, B. Vel pala. Development. Ay, sakto pala. Development. Ganyan yung pag-pronounce ko pero ayaw ko maniwala. So, B pala. Number 4, C. Number 5, C. C pala, my brother called up. So, dapat, my brother called up. Okay. Understand. Number 6 to 11. 6, C. Number 7, B. Number 8, B. Number 9, B. Number 10, B. Number 11, B. Basta question, always 2, 3, 3 yung pitch contour niya. 12, we have B. 13, D. 14, C pala. So yung the carabaos eat grass. Ganun pala yun. 15, C. If you'll notice, what happens? 16, it shifts to important word. Number 17, C. Number 18 to 19, 18, letter B, legendary. Legendary. 19, 2, 3, 2, C, and 20 is P. So, I got 17 over 20, guys. How about you? 1, 2, 3. 17 talaga. So, just refine a few concepts. Okay. So, hindi natin nakuha yung mastery. So, I guess that will be all, guys, for suprasegmental intonation test. I think I am going to have another one, but I'm going to look for a PDF file on the internet so that we can answer it together, okay? So, thank you very much for studying with me. See you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.